The beauty scientists, Dr. Kristy Hamilton and Dr. Kim. Real beauty without the hype.
When you're talking to your patients about upper eyelid, lower eyelid, or both, what types of things are you discussing with them before surgery about the recovery process, about time off from work and life and all those things?
That's a big consideration because these are not super painful operations. I think they're fairly easy to recover from, but when those early days of swelling, especially if you're doing uppers and lowers, it can be very tight and difficult to even close your eyes at first because of the swelling. So I tell my patients, you're gonna be living your life like a rock star for the first week. Sunglasses are gonna be your best friend because you put those on. Honestly, the rest of you looks pretty normal. Dry eye symptoms are really common, and so I have them use some lubricating eye drops and some steroids to help get the swelling, inflammation, and bruising down. And I tell patients, I think it's 2 weeks before you're looking kind of socially appropriate, not a super high stakes setting. Like I think if a little concealer covering residual bruising, your sutures are out at a week, you can kind of go out into the world and not be turning heads. But if you're really trying to look good, you're going to need at least a month after upper or lower eyelid surgery for the most part.
And I think you hit the nail on the head. One of the things is that this operation actually is truly not that painful. So I tell my patients, because I'm up here in Techville in Silicon Valley, if you don't have any meetings and you don't have to show up on video and you want to get back to work, you could actually get back to work on your computer or talking on the phone pretty quickly. However, being seen in public, being on a video conference call, that's a little different. You may want to take 10, 14 days, a little longer before you're out there seeing people.
I completely agree. So it's like you're functional, your brain's working, you're not on a bunch of drugs, you're doing well. It's just a question of like, what is your comfort level? What's your job position? Can you work from home for a little bit? Or are you the face of a company or working on on TV? You might need a little bit more time, just depending on what you do.
Thank you for joining us on The Beauty Scientists. Be sure to visit thebeautyscientists.com and learn more about modern beauty and connect with Dr. Hamilton and Dr. Kim.